Sarun.
Sunday morning, a bit alarmed. I take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I want someone waiting for me. And when I see her, I know it's day. Hey, hey.